Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious custard donuts. We will start by preparing a soft and airy dough, perfect for frying. Then, we'll craft a luscious, smooth vanilla custard that will be the heart of our treat. Finally, I'll guide you through frying the donuts to golden perfection and filling them generously. Get ready to create a truly delightful dessert that everyone will love. To begin, activate your yeast by combining it with warm milk and a small amount of sugar. Then, in a separate bowl, mix together your flour, 2 eggs, softened butter, and the remaining sugar. Incorporate the yeast mixture and knead the dough for approximately 10 minutes until it is wonderfully smooth and pliable. Finally, let this beautiful dough rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours, allowing it to double in size. For our creamy filling, whisk together 4 egg yolks, 100 grams of sugar, and 30 grams of cornstarch until light. Gently heat 500 milliliters of milk with a split vanilla bean until it just simmers. Slowly pour the hot milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper it. Return everything to the pot and cook over medium heat, stirring until the custard is wonderfully thick. Remember to chill it for at least 2 hours. Once your dough has risen, gently roll it out to about 1 centimeter thick and cut out your donut shapes. Heat your frying oil to precisely 350 degrees Fahrenheit and fry the donuts until golden brown on both sides. After they cool completely, use a piping bag to generously fill each donut with your delicious, chilled vanilla custard. For the perfect finish, dust them with a generous amount of powdered sugar. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.